Hey guys, how's it going today? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the exact website I use to purchase my clicks for my exact funnel. And this is how I got so many sales, so many conversions, and basically you can get sales on autopilot if you know how to leverage purchasing clicks. So the website I use is called Udemy. For Udemy, this platform is nice because there's so many sellers. You can basically target, how many hours people are coming from, how many clicks you're looking for, the percentage of, in sense of the price of clicks, and if someone's online, their conversion rate, and how many likes they have on their page. This is very, very important, guys, to find out the best sellers for your opt-in page, to find the best one that can, be your long-lasting, business relationship in terms of finding the best clicks for your funnel for guys. So, for example purposes, I'm going to show you how Udemy works, and basically, let's find a good seller, for example. All right. So I saw looking at this page right now, personally for myself, I basically target the first 24 hours, someone that has at least 500 clicks, and 35 cents to 75 cents, which is very reasonable. 35 cents is kind of low end, 75 cents to $1 is more the high end. So what I recommend in terms of the clicks, depending on the solar vendor, I'd probably take from 50 to 75 cents if it's possible to get that amount of value of the clicks. But usually people with high quality clicks, they basically charge from 75 to $1 per click. But it depends though. You can always leverage how many clicks. You can always message them in terms of finding your discount as a first buyer. But let's go on finding what seller and how does it work in terms of buying clicks. So for this purposes, I'm going to choose this person right here, Andreas. So right here is basically he's a solo ad vendor. He's online at the moment right now. His rating is 1,080, which is very, very good, very high. Right here is negative reviews, but that's totally fine. Everyone has their own preferences. 32% conversion rate, which is pretty good. You want around 30 to maybe 40 if it's possible to get that conversion rate, because the higher conversion rate and higher sales is like the higher chance you get more commissions and more money into your bank account. And right now his low end offer is about 39 cents, which is pretty good as well. So right here, his little bio saying, fresh subscribers added daily, high tier 90%. Like we talked before on the last video, US, Australia, Canada, New Zealand. I think it's Great Britain, I think. Often within 24 to 48 hours of delivery. So it takes around 2 days to deliver the clicks, and you can see your results later on when you're getting opt-ins, when you're getting emails to your autoresponder. And the next one he says is quality traffic with buyers, strength in finance and marketing. Works with most MLM and CPA offers, for example. So this is very important. Most companies are MLM companies. Some of them are affiliate marketing companies. So you can always message him if you want to target, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you do network marketing, whatever marketing you're doing. But in this case, we're focused on affiliate marketing. And this is a plus. He said I can custom right swipe, no mobile orders accepted. Find more happy customers down here. So right here is basically showing a testimonial of a customer purchasing his clicks and seeing his results. So this person ordered 100 clicks, which I recommend first. So just order 100 clicks and test it out for yourself. He received 120. So sometimes when you purchase clicks from solo ad vendors, they sometimes over delivery, means they'll give you an extra 20 clicks. It makes you a higher chance of you getting more sales, which is a plus. If someone gives you over delivery, I always recommend that type of person because it's more of a building a relationship with the solo ad vendor to get more clicks. His opt-in rate is 48%, which is pretty good. Tier 1, 88%. I would recommend probably, 88's fine. I like it higher, like 90 to 92% possible. He got 8 sales on his funnel, so it's pretty good. He probably got a way bigger commission than 100 clicks. And then he says, comments, I got back twice my investment, the best solo ad run ever for me for 100 clicks. So that's like a plus. He probably had a great funnel, a great landing page, a great offer. He doubled his money. So 100 clicks most likely is $80. So mostly got $160 or something like that, for example. So this depends, depending how, like I said before, this is a perfect example. So if you want to go back to this video and see, different more results of different solo ad vendors. So far, this guy looks pretty good so far. Now this is important, guys. So how many clicks do you want in terms of your funnel, in terms of your landing page? I would, like I said before, guys, this is my personal preference. I recommend just purchasing 100, for example, because you want to test out to see if this person or solo ad vendor is reputable and giving you good high quality clicks. And what I recommend is target only top tier, because if you don't target, it is cheaper, but you need to target top tier because those are more high quality traffic. It is a little bit more expensive, but it's more high quality. It's not a bad price, $52 for 100 visitors. But you could do only mobile. It's a little bit more expensive too, to target people on their cell phone. people using different tools in terms of the computer and stuff. So only mobile, I'll probably take that out for now. I probably would target only top tier. So $52 is very good price, because usually I see also ad vendors charging to $70 to $80 per click, depending on the depending what kind of promotion they do and depending what's their availability. So if you want to purchase it right now, I would recommend add to cart. So you can try to add to cart, and then you can purchase it and put your affiliate link right here, for example. It should be your affiliate link, and then you can send those clicks to that affiliate link. In terms of this specific solar ad vendor, he does offer custom email swipes. So for example, if you have your personal email swipe, you can send it to him, so you can put it in his email list, so 100 people can click on that link. Or you can ask him to create a own personal email swipe for basically your affiliate program. So you have a choice. You can create your own or ask him to do it. This is his personal preference. Everyone is different. Some people don't offer creating the email swipe. Sometimes you need to just create your own email swipe and give it to him, for example. This explains more about the countries. Right here, 91% top tier countries. We need to focus more on the US because that's 85%, so it's not that bad right here. Here's a couple of testimonials he has. Awesome solo, high opt-in rate, got a couple of sales in the initial run. Another great buy, thanks again. And these are the selling ratings of him. So these are different, more testimonials of his percentage in terms of getting more, people helping people get more sales. Good seller, got a little less than 30% opt-in. Order again, help me work the issue on my end. Good opt-in, communication, fast delivery, 90% top tier, and 35 and 29 opt-in. So he has a lot of different, very good quality testimonials here. So if I was a first-time buyer, I'll definitely send him a message and see what kind of, what's his track record, how many opt-in rates to get, for typical person purchasing clicks as well. So that's what I would recommend, guys. So what I recommend is, for example, if you're targeting this person, for example, I recommend you click on this button right here, and then just send them a message. Send a message saying, like, let's say for example purposes, what is your track record in terms of getting sales for customers? You can send them that. Where's your track record in terms of getting sales for your customers? You can ask them, as a first-time buyer, is a possibility as a first-time buyer, is there any discounts for purchasing clicks from you? As a first-time buyer, is there any discounts from purchasing clicks from you? That's what I recommend, guys. I understand he has his own personal price, but there's a way to negotiate as a first-time buyer, because he wants to get you as a customer and basically a long-term person to build a relationship and keep purchasing clicks from him to make sure his email list is valuable to your preferences, for example. So that's basically the basics of purchasing a solo ad. Like I recommend, guys. Let's go back, for example. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, there is also solo deals as well. So if you're looking for some good deals to get, less cents per click, there's a lot of different solo deals you can work as well. So there's a lot of people here trying to get you some. This is very cheap to get this amount of clicks for this percentage. So there's a lot of different deals you can work with as well. Like I said before, guys, do your research. Make sure you research the person, message him, ask him for discounts on your first purchase, and see how many clicks you can get on your funnel. The more high quality clicks, guys, the higher chance you'll build your email list, and the higher chance you can get those commissions. So if you're offering basically a product worth $50, you got 3 sales, that's $150 into your bank account, and you just spend 100 clicks, for example, and that's usually $70. So you made a profit there, guys. So depending, like I said before, it takes some time to find the best seller, guys. I recommend, like I said before, what I did, press find sellers, and then basically target which kind of seller you think is best for your landing page, for your offer, what kind of niche you have. You're doing For example, we're doing affiliate marketing. So if I had to choose, this guy would be a good start, for me personally. Send him a message, see his track records, see if you can offer a discount on the first package of clicks, and see how many clicks you can get on your personal landing page in your funnel. So that's like the basis of how I personally use Solo Ads for myself, how I get many clicks, how do I leverage it through using the tracking software to track my links to make sure everything is perfection, and just keep testing out things. Purchase 100 clicks. If it's working, purchase another, maybe 200 clicks, and if it's continue making commissions consistently, you can keep buying and keep ramping up your profits. And you can use those extra profits for different investments in your personal business. If you want to purchase traffic, if you want to purchase more advertisement, there's a lot of different things you can use for that extra profit, especially if you're a business. All right, guys. So hope you got some great value in terms of how to use Solo Ads. On the next video below, I will definitely put down the link below so you guys can sign up for free. You don't need to pay a single dime to sign up. You sign up for free, and then you can try to find different Solo Ad vendors to choose from and start purchasing clicks for your funnel and for your landing page so you can get those commissions and get that profit, guys. All right, guys? So I hope you guys have an awesome day today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.